Which way are we going, Chakademus?
Just down this way, pliers.
Private fishing. Oh, my chest is lovely and warm.
Hold on, pull in.
What you gotta do now?
I'll just switch the
Okay.
Oh! Is it flashing? Rich?
Yeah, it's flashing. Gonna need a good clean. I'm gonna need a good clean. Are they the bikes? I need an hugger on mine. An hugger. Have a hugger. Look at that.
You can smell the exhausts, can't you? When the water's on them.
That's Matt's, that is.
I'll get it on mine as well. Mine stinks when it gets wet.
More batons.
I've got a stinky pipe.
Bit dicey on the roads. You got that leaves there. Oh, look at that. Look at that, isn't it hill like that house thing?
Yeah, I can take a boat out. That's the only thing we're doing. There's a lot of leaves now.
Yeah, just be careful though. We're in that rush. Bridgestone. Nice steady ride. It's soaking wet. Be nice to have like about 3 or 4 bikes, wouldn't it? To like pick which one.
Different ones for different different scenarios.
Different weather, like the Transalps and that.
So it'd be nice on here, wouldn't it, to go, if you had some, to go off on some of these little tracks.
Yeah, oh look at that over there. Sick. Things like that I love, like just so picturesque, are they? I'm sad out.
Yeah, but you've got to think now, when they built these,
no, the hell
they built the I mean, you think now, if they built a reservoir now, they'd put nothing
that
looked any good there.
It'll take them years.
Yeah,
years.
And there'd be nothing like, now like fantastic buildings.
Amazing, eh? I mean, look at that.
It's like, you see like in the, like the Disney films, there's a princess at the tower.
The what?
When you see like there's a princess at the top of the tower.
Oh yeah, yeah.
It's kind of like that thing, isn't it?
The thumbs up.
I say Matt ain't got to worry about one of them heat pads. I bet that power pack's red off in his pocket.
I bet it is. He isn't going faster than us.
I think there's a car that wants to come past.
Yeah.
Gonna call him past.
Yeah. Indicator. Oh, not yet. Is the right hand, if you pull on the right here, see?
Yeah.
For it.
On the right.
Pull in there and then he can come round us. Let's just swipe the end of it off again on the camera.
Yeah, you gotta watch some of all this. This is just leaves, isn't it? This stuff on the road.
Yeah, look at that. Look at that.
It's a big table, isn't it? That's a big pizzas, that is. It's for big pizzas. Have you got a big pizza?
I wonder if we can walk down there. I'm looking at my stand.
Chakademus.
Look at that tree. Fell on it. I bet this is great in the summer, you know. But like, you still wouldn't be able to ride round here like at speed. Well, even at a normal, you'd have to do it slow. Because the people hate walking and cycling.
I bet they do, don't you? I bet you get a load of people walking and cycling around here.
Yeah, it's nice. It's a nice exercise walking around here. If it's about 13 mile, I'd jog that in half hour.
Oh, look at that. Went all the way down.
Oh, look, the view. Spectacular. What's he done? Oh yeah, he's just jogging. I always say that. It's like, what's he doing? Oh, nothing, he's jogging.
Is there another waterfall here, do you think?
Yeah,
I don't know.
what the hell's he doing?
I was looking up there and I must have swerved over there.
Going down. And then he went down a bloody bank.
Straight in the lake. That'd be some footage that would though, wouldn't it?
Went off.
Gotta be a waterfall here. It's gotta be. Yep, there's another one.
Who's that waterfall? Oh my god, I've just gone down the embankment.
What would you say? Someone's got to have got off the edge, haven't they?
Oh yeah.
Probably more so on a push bike.
Yeah.
Oh, watch this bit here. This is a bit... Hey, crystal clear, that water is running down.
Clear that was. Bloody beautiful. Proper touring we do, not just fair weather. Mind you. Yeah, no fair weather. We've got no choice. No.
I think that's the road we do late. I think that might be the one to Bala.
Dinas Modi. I'm very good at Welsh. Well, I am actually Welsh. I have got a bit of Welsh in me. It's my last name, Owen.
Oh,
Proper Welsh name, I don't know who was Welsh. I think it was my granddad.
I wondered why when we was riding all the sheep kept coming round us. Makes sense now.
They seemed to follow me. But my opinion, no. I can't for much.
Oh, it is, isn't it?
Look at that.
You can see how some of the wind's battered these trees.
I know. What's that? The trees fell on me. But I should have, didn't it?
I wonder if anyone's ever seen Yogi Bear around here. Yogi
Is it
Bear.
here? Probably.
And Boo Boo.
What's that one you used to say there? You got some, what was it now? You got some Marabou. Oh, I'm just trying to think of it. It's something to do with Yogi Bear. You know, mate, get over. You're a twat.
I only took a white beating round here, some of these trees.
Yeah, they.
I have to keep moving my microphone, it keeps sticking to my lip.
Just keep your eye on that bend. Don't you going down the bottom. How the hell are we going to find our way back home?
Oh, some shit around here.
Back end went a bit down.
Oh, well, it would, wouldn't you? Imagine if you just rocked this throttle open here in second gear.
Oh,
you'd be all over the shop.
Spin out.
Oh, I wonder what's around there.
Look at that. Bloody lovely. Jacko Davis. Peace, bro. Oh, I love little
sheep.
Alright.
Ah, that's it. That must be the road we do to Bala.
Is that the way we've got to go now?
We'll go back around here, back around to the front of that dam, and then we'll head back.
The sun will come out tomorrow.
I mean, you imagine around here, like living here, you have a night, it's got to be absolutely pitch black, isn't it?
Oh no. Yeah, because right now street lights, is it? Get the shape! Come on! Yeah, it's in the shape. On the roads. A bit. Hello,
Oh, see how they come running to you, Rich?
Oh no, I've got that, what is it, a scent. I love it.
He's what? Yeah. No. Is my camera on? Yeah. Isn't there? But there's a few serial killers around here. Oh, there's a couple of murderers. Is your back end sliding then? So this is proper like watching here, the water's actually running down the road. Yeah, we need to get Sam, my nephew, get him on his bike, get number 5 rider. We're climbing. Go on, go in front for me. No. Do you want to stop and put it on? Let's get up on a flat pace where we can stop. Yeah, I'll go in the middle, lock on the side here. What, lean over this way. Yeah, I think so. Wait till we get to Bala. We'll put my other battery on yours. So I'll film this bit then, yeah? I don't know, I haven't got a signal yet. Just keep going. Yeah, you go in front for a bit. Alright. Well, if you fell down it. Oh, it's just flooded. You ought to be a big hole now. I don't know, man. I bet this is great when the sun's shining through these trees. Yeah. I can see now what that guy meant about it's a wicked ride to Bala Lake. Oh, like when you're being, oh, look at that for the road. Yeah. I'll tell you what, it'd be so funny if it was. Oh, hold on a minute. Where's them pair? You ain't got over the edge, I say. Yeah. Oh, I'll tell you what. This looks wicked, this does. Yeah. Yeah. I've still got no signal at the minute. I've still got no signal at the minute. No, it's only 10 miles, well, I think it's 8.9 miles from where we was, so you'll be fine. Oh, I'll tell you what, you don't see them coming, do you? That's the only thing with mine, like this race suspension, it's that hard. Oh, this is amazing, isn't it? Whoa! That's one view, that is, isn't it? So I can see. I'll just we can get us. Move closer. I said, but when it's a blue sky and the sun's out, it's smoking. That water's going all the way down. View.
Good road though, isn't it?
Yeah, it's brilliant, isn't it? It's just a pity this one's nice tarmac. When we get to Bala, we'll put my other battery in yours.
I'll start on me.